There is a major avalanche at Palisades, Tahoe at about 9:30 a.m. this morning. They've already confirmed one fatality and one person who's critically injured, and search and rescue teams are working right now to find anybody else who might be buried underneath the snow. Now, there was a considerable risk for avalanches throughout the day today. We have a weak surface hoar layer about 1 to 2 feet below the surface with snow that's built up on top of that weak layer. And then on top of that, there's a major snowstorm that's moving in right now to Tahoe, bringing some wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and potentially another 2 feet of snow.